Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. So today we are going to have it's potatoes and corn with seasoned chicken. Okay, and this is truly a budget-friendly meal. It is truly a dump and go meal. What we're going to need is frozen corn. You're going to line up your crock pot with your corn. And I had gotten a small 6-cob sweet corn. I mean, you could put more in there, but I don't have more. But this suits my family. And then I took a couple potatoes, scrubbed the skins, and then you're going to throw that in there. Take off any bad spots if you have any. Okay, I like that. And then we're going to get your favorite seasoning out, because that's what we're doing. I'm going to use this roasted garlic and bell pepper seasoning. I think this is going to taste amazing. Be generous. Okay. Then we're going to throw on some sliced butter. I'm just going to throw it in there. Where are you watching from? I am here in Iowa, and it is a nice day out, which has been rare because we've been having a lot of storms. Okay, I am wiping off my hands. And then get you a piece of parchment paper, maybe some aluminum foil. And then you're going to get some chicken breast. So I did cut these up. So they're not real crazy thick. I just want to make sure my chicken is done. I'm just like crazy about that. And just throw your chicken on your parchment paper. These are kind of, some of them are in chunks because it was the bottom of the bag. But that is fine because it all tastes the same. All right, so now what we're going to do is, again, season that chicken. Maybe even get it turned over. And then season some more. Okay, one of the seasons I really like is onion powder. So I'm not going to go without that. All right, it's perfect. How easy was that? Okay, put your lid on. And we are going to cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours, depending on your crock pot. This one's relatively new, so it may take a shorter amount of time. But of course, we all know that we want that chicken done. Okay, friends, I will be right back to see what this turns out to look like. Also, I wanted to add too, if you wanted to cook it slow, just double that. Time on high, 3 to 4 hours. Just double that and cook it on low. Okay, sorry for the noise in the background. My neighbor is mowing. But this is now done. You're going to want to take your, this is why I like to slice it thin, and just get your chicken into a bowl, okay? And this is what the corn and potatoes look like. See the juices on the bottom? Okay, friends, I did taste the corn. It was great. I did taste the potato. Really good too. This chicken, I really like the seasoning that I put on there. Just a second. Yeah, that tastes really good. So a heads up, I should have put butter on the top. I put butter on the bottom, remember, for the corn and potatoes. I should have put butter on the top with the chicken because I feel like it tastes a little dry. I mean, it's not bad. I could still eat it, of course, but I think I'm gonna take my chicken and like dip it in some kind of sauce. Maybe ranch. I don't know. I got all kinds of sauces in my fridge. But this is something that you can learn from. Hey, when you make it, throw some butter on the top so it's not so dry. In addition, another thing I also did was cut my chicken breast in half. So it made it smaller so it would cook quicker. So the smaller that you cut like your potatoes in and slice your chicken, the quicker it actually will get done. It'll get done. And that's what we want. We want done food. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like more budget-friendly dump and go meals, please subscribe. Okay, friends, but most of all, please keep cooking. I love you all.